So I used China 7 colour to create a yearly planner that I had designed. So they're the printing company that I used to create that. And I'm really happy with the quality. I got them printed and imported this, I think I've worked with them 3 times now, so I've had 3 reprints of the same product, and I've been blown away each time by the high quality of them. So I went with a material cover, which is extremely durable, and I also did a foil print on the front, which I have found to be really durable compared to other samples that I've gotten. So the front cover, I'm constantly getting compliments on it. The quality inside, I wanted a binder that was going to lay flat, and it definitely does that. So it is exactly what it says it's going to do. The paper is 120 GSM. The colors inside are they pop, they work really well. I'm really happy with the quality of the product. I think there are a lot of companies out there that do things cheap, but China 7 have delivered such a high quality product for me. I also worked with them to do my packaging, so they did these packing boxes for me, which I'm really happy with as well. Lena has been my contact there, and she's been really great to communicate with and has helped with the entire process from the very beginning with samples all the way through to importing them into Australia so I can sell them here. So I would highly recommend working with China 7. They've been really great.